I just don't know what to do. I don't know. Sooner or later, I'm going to have to replace it, but I'm not there yet. Folks, check out the podcast today on Rumble, especially the open. It's really important. I'll be back here tomorrow.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado or flash flood or a civil emergency warning, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
You're a miracle. You know that, right? A living, breathing, one-of-a-kind miracle.